Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
First of all, what can I call you?
You can call me Shahab.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Shahab. So today I have some simple and very great question for you.
Sure, sir.
I hope you enjoy it.
Sure, sir. I'm excited.
So let's start it from yourself. Like describe yourself.
My name is Shahab, and I'm 18 years old, and I study in Pakistani school, and also I'm doing e-commerce from Star E-commerce.
Okay. So what do you do?
I study business, and also I do side business like Amazon.
Okay. What kind of experience do you have on Amazon?
I have a lot of experience in Amazon. Yes.
Okay. So what's your responsibilities?
My responsibilities are to sell out my own products.
How many hours do you do your work?
I usually give 5 to 6 hours to my work.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the deficiencies of your work?
The disadvantage only in my work is time.
Like how?
Like my work is full of patience.
Okay.
Yeah, if you need to do Amazon, you need full patience.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the advantages?
Advantages, there are a lot of advantages, like you can also sit in home and do your own work. It's like your own business. You don't need to go out or go somewhere to do your work. You just need to sit at home and in front of laptop. It's just you and your laptop. That's it.
That's it. No need to go outside.
No need to go.
work
No need
with
to
someone.
no need to do labors. That's it. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing. It's not hard work.
So everything is in your control.
In my
under your
control, yes.
Okay. So whatever you want, you
Yes,
just
I can
right
sit in
now.
any country, any place, and do my work.
Okay.
Yeah.
For example, if you open someone country account, so if, for example, if you are not available here, so can you do that?
Yeah, I can do everything. If I am in US, I can do it at UAE. If I am in UAE, I can do it US. All in my hand.
Okay.
It's all my game.
So what's your message about this? Like you want to prefer this type of business to the people?
Yeah, I will prefer absolutely, and it's all future now. So I will prefer it.
Besides that, do you have any other experience in e-commerce?
E-commerce, yeah, I do. I also have experience in dropshipping, in trading. Yeah.
Trading, wow,
Yeah.
that's nice. So, what kind of trading you do?
I do forex trading.
Oh, so how many experience do you have in that?
I have 3 year experience.
So, I love that. You know, even like I was doing that for last 2 years, but I failed in that. So now
I also failed. It's also patience.
Okay.
And
so what's your strategy in forex trading? Like what you want to suggest me, because I love that.
Absolutely. Okay, the strategy is, if you are gaining profit in one day, okay, then you need to have to take 2 days break.
Okay.
Yeah, like if you do one day and you have to take 2 days break, then after you should do it one day.
So after 2 days again,
yeah,
whether it's loss or profit, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, we'll talk later on that. So let's jump towards your education. So can you describe your education in a few words?
I'm studying business.
Okay.
Okay, yes.
From where did you finish your study?
I finished it from Pakistani school.
Pakistani school. Where is it?
It's in Marur.
Okay.
Yes.
So was it co-education or?
It was separate.
Separate
Yeah.
education. So what do you prefer? Like co-education is the best system or separate?
I think separate is best.
Like how can you describe like what's the efficiency?
There are, in my mind, okay, the separate is best because like the boys and girls are different. They have different minds, they have different hearts. So the boys' mind is different and the girls' minds are different. So when the boys are sitting together, they will do something different. They will like that.
Oh, okay, it's your the mind.
Yeah.
So I always prefer to co-education because you will get confidence to sit in front of ladies or girls, whatever. So okay, it's depending as you wish whether you want to prefer co-education or separate education. So okay, it doesn't be that. Okay, so who is your favorite teacher?
Sir
Asad.
Yeah.
So what he's teaching to you?
He's teaching me accounting, commerce.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Can you just describe your hometown?
My hometown, okay. I belong to Pakistan. My hometown is like all mountain area, nature.
What's the name?
Swat.
Swat,
Yeah.
okay.
The paradise of Pakistan.
Okay, what is the special about it?
The special about Swat is, it is very beautiful, like all mountains, rivers, full of nature. And very sweet people, hospitality people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the special food there? Like, what kind of food?
The special food around there is chapli kebab. What is it?
Check.
Chapli kebab.
I'm confused here. Like, you know, I'm hearing this answer from like every person, even if I ask this from cohort person or similar person, like your child. So everyone is saying that chapli kebab, like why people prefer all the time chapli kebab?
Because all that cohort and Swat is all KPK area.
Oh,
yeah.
So you make it easy, like, you know, all KPK people they like chapli kebab.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. It's not about like, you know, that belongs to the area. No,
that's not like
it's about the people.
It's about the people, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And the KPK people only.
Okay, so which language spoken
we
here?
speak Pashto.
That's it?
Yeah, Pashto and Urdu.
And what about the clothes, dress?
It's commercial work.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about like pant shirts? Some people.
No.
No one?
No, only tourists wear that.
Okay. What is the system? Education system there? Like, you know, what kind of system is there?
It's very good.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's co-education.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Okay. Okay, so is there any problem faced by your hometown, like environmental or pollution, something?
No, there are no pollutions. Yeah, it's very clean and nature area. That's one.
Okay.
Yes.
That's perfect. Okay. Okay, compare your hometown with another city.
I would say similar. Like similar?
Anything.
Yeah. Similar is I think Murray and Kashmir.
Okay.
Yeah, they both are like similar in nature only. Not people. Yeah.
So
their people are different. They speak another language. They wear another clothes. Their traditional foods are different. Yeah.
So
but the places are almost same. Like same mountains, same rivers, same nature, everything, same trees.
Oh, and what's the cold degree there?
The cold degree, the maximum it goes high in hot. It's 20 centigrade.
And in winter?
In winter it goes like -4, -5 at night.
Wow.
Yeah. Sometimes it goes to as high as -10.
-10.
Yeah.
So do
same
you
at my hometown and same at Kashmir. Murray.
So which season do you like, winter or summer?
I like winter.
Winter.
Yeah.
Why?
Because of the snowfalls, the rains.
Oh.
I like rains. Yeah.
You like rains?
Yeah. When it rains, the roads are wet.
Okay.
Everything are wet. It's very nice. Like.
So, what's your future ambition? Like, what you will do in future?
My future is like, I'm only into business.
Business.
Yeah. I've never think about jobs. Never think about any other things. Only business.
Business like what kind of that e-commerce? That's it?
Yeah. No, that's it. I will also do something like side business.
Okay.
Or like physical business, I would say.
Like physical.
Like shops, restaurant, or any company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna ask you about like your travel journey. So, do you like to travel?
Yes, I do like to travel.
Like, you know, what kind of places you would like to travel?
I like to travel in nature places.
Like
nature places like mountains,
okay,
greeneries, rivers, sea, beach. Like
okay, what's the best place you have ever visited?
I have visited many places, but mostly I visit mountain areas.
Mountain, like
yeah,
where?
snowfalls.
Where?
Like the top of the mountain in my hometown, Kalam, Malamjaba, that places. Yeah, in Kalam I have visited many times.
Wow.
Yeah. Whenever I go to my hometown, once a week I always go to Kalam.
Kalam. Yeah. So is it far from your hometown?
No, it's like only 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
So you go by
car.
By car.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's perfect.
We have to stop at the mountain.
Okay.
So we need car.
So you need car to travel to Kalam.
Yes.
Okay. And how long it will take to go by walk?
By walk.
Is it possible or no?
Is it possible? Yeah, but it will take like 4 or 5 hours.
4 or 5 hours.
Yeah.
By road you have to go, or by mountain there are some?
No, by road.
By road.
By road you have to go to Kalam.
Okay.
And at Kalam you have to go by walk at up.
Oh, yeah. So there is mountain. Once you reach to Kalam, there will be a top of the mountain.
It's type of hiking.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, okay. I like hiking.
Oh,
yes.
Do you have any experience in that?
Yeah, I do have.
Okay. And what about here? Like, you know, that have you ever
in
do that?
UAE, yeah, not in UAE I have been hiking, but I have visited mountains here also.
Okay,
yeah.
That's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna ask you about like your computer education. So, do you have any knowledge about computer?
Yeah, I do have.
Can you describe it, please?
Yeah, I do have knowledge in computer. Okay, I have done many courses like web designing.
Okay.
Yes, and I have also done how to create websites.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you have any experience in digital marketing?
Yes, I do have. I have done marketing course also.
Okay.
Yes.
From where you do that?
I have done it from Galaxy.
Galaxy
course, yeah.
Is it good center?
Yes, it's very good. I recommend it, yeah.
What about the teachers of that center?
Teachers are very polite and very good.
Okay.
Yeah, they have a lot of knowledge.
So do you think computer helps society?
Of course.
Can you describe it a little bit, like, in which way it helps society?
There are many ways. Like there are negative ways also and positive ways also.
Okay.
Many people are there which use computer for bad things like scamming and many other bad things, illegal type.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are also very benefits.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you think computers are bad for health or?
No, I would not say that. Yeah.
So there is no bad.
Like if you give specific time only, it's not bad.
That's the main thing.
Yeah,
like
that's the main thing.
You have to mention if you just use, for example, computer using like for 5-6 hours, at a time, and in a day like you're using more than 5-6 hours. So what do you think? Like
no, that will not be good. That will damage also your eyesight.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's like
it's very bad for eyes also.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
because if you will sit like every time in front of your screen, the effect of the screen will damage your eyes.
Same like as mobile, right?
As mobile, yeah.
Okay. So do you think also if someone is using mobile more than 3 hours, 4 hours?
Yeah.
Okay. So there will be some bad effects.
Yeah.
On your health.
Yes.
So what do you prefer? Like how many hours should I use computer?
I would say you should have to use it for like only 4 to 5 hours. With breaks.
With breaks.
Not continuously.
Not continuously. That's perfect.
And you should maintain some distance between your screen and.
Okay. So what message you want to give to the gamers, like the people they use laptop or computer for the gaming and they're sitting all the time on laptop or computer in front of computer, like more than 8 hours, 10 hours. I saw that, like that it's not about. I'm just talking about generally. No, I'm talking about like my friends. They're using it like more than 8-10 hours. They're sitting on front of computer for the gaming, like the famous one like PUBG. They're using like. So what do you message? What's your message?
Message is like first of all there is no future of gamers. Okay. And secondly, they are just wasting their times and their health. They will regret it later. Yeah. But
you say your messages to those people, like someone on this, like some of them, they're recording their self. Okay, they're putting their videos on YouTube, so they're earning a lot. Like they're earning good money, so it's not waste time for them. So your message to those who are just doing nothing, just simply using like playing game, it's mean that for those it will be a waste of time because they are not recording nothing, they're not doing any live stream. So for in my in perceptions, for those people it will be like a waste of time because they are not doing anything on that. But some of them they are recording their self, they're making videos and just recording their self and put it on social media that any other platform, Facebook, YouTube, on any other website. So they're earning good money. So I think it's their own work, it's the job for them.
No, I would say I have seen many people who used to earn, who has fame. So I agree with you.
Yeah, because I saw many people of that. So okay, let's talk about internet. What do you say about internet? What is the advantages and disadvantages of internet?
The advantages of internet are its source of knowledge. You can search anything about any place, anytime. Like in my experience, in my side, without internet, I cannot use Amazon.
Okay, how? Like
I need to know anything about Amazon. I will search in Google, in YouTube, in internet.
So you mean that internet is a requirement for every kind of business for the e-commerce?
Yes.
Okay, so is there any deficiency of internet, like disadvantages?
Disadvantages are like many people use internet for bad things like pornography and creating illegal websites for scamming.
Okay. So what do you think, I saw children nowadays, they're using internet all the time. So should we give access to the children all the time or limited access? What do you say about that? Can you just briefly put your knowledge on that?
No, I would not recommend it to give access to children because there are some ages when we should allow our children or any person to use internet.
They can use, but in a limited access. So we should not allow them to total access. So it should be in a limited access.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. Do people in your hometown use the internet a lot, or?
Yes, they do, because it's modern area now. It's modern place now.
What kind of internet is there? Like DSL or something? I don't know about that. Like, you know, what's the name of? For example, you're using here Etisalat, right?
Yeah.
So what kind of?
There are like most of them use data.
Okay.
5G.
5G.
Now it's now more modern, so they use 5G more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever buy something online? Like
yes, I do. I always shop online.
Okay. From which website? Like is your favorite?
Shein.
Shein. Okay.
Yeah.
That's your favorite.
Yes. Shein and Tim also.
Tim also.
Yeah. And there are also some other websites, Instagram also. Yeah.
Okay. That's great. So it was very nice to you. Do you have any message at the last for the nation, for the people, because you are very young in this age? Like people, you know, they're just roaming here and there, or they're not focused on the business or study, whatever. But I'm inspired by you a lot in this age. You did a great job for you, for your family.
Yes.
So do you have any small message to the people, to the nation?
I would say age is just a number. You should don't waste your time and don't be a slave. Yeah, you should start your own business. There are many categories to start your own business. Now everything is easy. Everything is AI. Everything is computer.
Okay.
So you should not waste time. You have very great benefits. You should search. You should gain knowledge, and you should start your own business.
Thank you very much. It was a great interview with you.
Thank you
so much. I hope I'm gonna call you back for the next interview. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.